Hey, hello. Welcome to IQ Civils IAS Academy, a great coach transforms life. In this video, we are going to discuss about some protected areas that were in news. This session or this video is going to be very interesting and very useful for your preliminary examination that is related to the environment and ecology section. This topic will be covered by me, Dr. Sachin Kadam, faculty at IQ Civils IAS Academy, Guwahati. This is our elite panel of faculties from Delhi that includes Sunil sir, Sachin sir, Anuj sir, Alok sir, Yogesh sir, Rizwan sir, Vikram sir and Nitin Kumar sir. We are starting our new batches from 25th May and 5th of June. These batches are available offline as well as online. So you can join our offline and online both batches, but for that you need to register yourself. For registration you need not to visit our academy. You can simply call to our director Mr. Anuj Singh sir or Lisa Tamoli, our admissions manager, or Bikas Deka, our front office holder. And once you contact on this number, you can register with your name, email ID and mobile number, and you can avail either offline or online batches which will start from 25th May or 5th June. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because on this YouTube channel we will ensure that you get quality current affairs related content for your UPSC and state services examination. 4.9 star, that is the Google review given by the students to our academy. So it shows that the quality of the content available at IQ Civils IAS Academy for UPSC as well as APSC. So the first news or first topic that was in current affair is Palak Lake. Now this is actually not at all important. Only I'm covering this news because in UPSC prelims, either in 2023 or in 2024, the UPSC can ask you match the following, and they can give you the name of this lake. One side Palak Lake, and in which state this is located. The only fact that you need to remember about this lake is Palak Lake is located in the state of Mizoram. Okay, this Palak Lake is located in the state of Mizoram. It is actually located, this is the Azawal, this is the capital of Mizoram, and south of this Azawal you can find this lake. So remember, Palak Lake is located in the state of Mizoram, which is a northeastern state. So one by one facts about Palak Lake. Palak Lake is the largest natural lake in Mizoram. You know, there is one more lake in Manipur which is very famous and which is known to everyone. The name of that lake is Loktak Lake. This lake is also known as Kebul Lamjau National Park. Okay, and this Kebul Lamjau National Park is famous for Fumdis, which are the islands formed by the dead organic matter, and it is also a Montreux record site, or it is included in the Montreux record of Ramsar Convention, and it is also a Ramsar site in India. There are total 75 Ramsar sites in India. It is one of them. So Loktak, and now this Palak Lake. It is situated near Fura village, which is 391 km to the south of Azawal, which is the capital of Mizoram. The Palak Lake Wetland Conservation Area falls under the Indo-Burma Biodiversity Hotspot. Now, remember, there are total 36 biodiversity hotspots across the world. Out of them, 4 biodiversity hotspots are located in India. Out of them, the name of one biodiversity hotspot is Indo-Burma Biodiversity Hotspot. Okay. This lake is rich in biodiversity. It is oval in shape and covers about 1 square kilometer. The area of this lake is very less, 1 square kilometer only. It is surrounded by lush virgin forest which is rich in flora and fauna. It is home to most of the common wetland birds and hill birds. So it is a type of wetland, but it is not a Ramsar wetland. It is believed to be a winter stopover for migrating pintail duck, and a few elephants still roam the surrounding virgin forest. We will see how exactly this pintail duck animal looks like. Okay, pintail duck. So these pintail ducks, these are the migratory birds that migrate from the Russia or from the Siberia or from Mongolia to the tropical areas, and while coming down or while coming to the south, they take rest at this Palak Lake located in the state of Mizoram, northeast India. Let's go ahead. Now, what is biodiversity hotspot? It is very, very important because this Palak Lake is part of the Indo-Burmese biodiversity hotspot. So, the concept of biodiversity hotspot was given by Norman Mayers in the year 1988. To qualify as a hotspot, a region must meet two strict criteria. So, which region, any region that is declared as biodiversity hotspot, that region need to fulfill two criteria. Number one, that regions should have species endemism, means that region should have endemic species. Now endemic species of plants or animals. So in case of biodiversity hotspot, that region should have endemic species of plants. And how many endemic species of plants? At least 1500 endemic species of vascular plants. Okay, 1500 endemic species of vascular plants. So biodiversity hotspot concept was put forth by Norman Mayers in 1988. To qualify as a hotspot, a region must meet two strict criteria. Number one, species endemism. It must contain at least 1500 species of vascular plants, that is more than 0.5% of the world's total as endemics. And second criteria, degree of threat, means biodiversity in this area, biodiversity in that area should be threatened. Degree of threat, and how much threatened? At least 70% habitat of the biodiversity in that area should be lost or should be destroyed. So it has to have lost at least 70% of its original habitat, means only 30% habitat should be left out. Okay, if any area fulfills these two criterias, then we call that biodiversity hotspot. And nowadays biodiversity hotspots are declared by one organization. The name of that organization is Conservation International. Okay, concept is given by Norman Mayers, but nowadays biodiversity hotspots are declared by one organization called Conservation International, and Conservation International uses these two criteria to declare any area as a biodiversity hotspot. As I told you, total number of biodiversity hotspot across the world 36. Out of them, 4 biodiversity hotspots are located in India. So Indian biodiversity hotspots, there are 4 biodiversity hotspots present in India. Number 1, the Himalayas. Number 2, Indo-Burma. Number 3, the Western Ghat and Sri Lanka. And number 4, Sundaland. So here you can see, this is the Himalayan biodiversity hotspot, and this is the Indo-Burmese biodiversity hotspot. Between these two biodiversity hotspots located within India, one river flows, and that river is Brahmaputra river. So remember, Brahmaputra river forms the boundary between Himalayan biodiversity hotspot and Indo-Burmese biodiversity hotspot. Okay, clear? So I hope you got it. Palak Lake, located in Mizoram, it is part of the Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot. Who gave the concept of biodiversity hotspot? Norman Mears. Who declares biodiversity hotspot? Conservation International. How many criterias are used by Conservation International to declare biodiversity hotspot? Just a minute. Huh? Two criterias. What are those two criteria? Species endemism and degree of threat. Okay. How many biodiversity hotspots are located in India? 4. Total in the world? 36. Out of them, the Himalayas, the Indo-Burma, River Brahmaputra forms the boundary between these two biodiversity hotspots. Then Western Ghat and Sri Lanka, you know that, and Sundaland only. Nicobar group of island, Nicobar group of island is part of the Sundaland biodiversity hotspot. And Andaman group of island is part of the Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot. Okay, this is about biodiversity hotspot. One question with reference to India, Didwana, Kuchman, Sargol and Khatu are the names of these are the names of saline lakes preferably located in Rajasthan. So question on lake. That's why you should know Palak is a lake located in Mizoram. Okay. Then what is the common to the places known as Aliyar, Isapur and the Kangsabati? These are water reservoirs. I know about this. This Isapur is a water reservoir located in Maharashtra on river Penganga. These are the water reservoirs. Let's go ahead. Then Biligiri Rangaswamy Temple Tiger Reserve, or we call this BRT Tiger Reserve. Okay. So it was in news. Why it was in news? Because recently, just a minute. So recently NTCA, that is National Tiger Conservation Authority, wrote to CWW, that is Chief Wildlife Warden of the state, to initiate action against illegal resorts and homestays in enclosures of BRT Tiger Reserve. So that's why it was in news. Okay. It derives its name. It derives its name from Biligiri. Now, what is the meaning of Biligiri? Biligiri means white hills. Bili means white in Kannada and Giri means hill. So, white hill translates in Kannada language Biligiri. So, it derives its name Biligiri from the white rocky cliff on the top of which is a temple of Lord Vishnu, and it is locally known as Rangaswamy. So, Biligiri Rangaswamy temple, and it is a tiger reserve. Okay. Then it is situated in the middle of the bridge between the Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat in South India. This BRT Tiger Reserve, you can say it is located at the meeting point of the Eastern Ghat and the Western Ghat in Karnataka. It was constituted as a wildlife sanctuary in 1974. Biligiri Rangaswamy, Biligiri Ranganathan Temple Wildlife Sanctuary was declared Tiger Reserve in 2011. Okay. Now before I go ahead, few facts about the Tiger Reserve. Project Tiger was launched in 1973. Jim Corbett was the first Tiger Reserve in India. Which is located in Uttarakhand. To manage tiger reserves in India in 2005, one special organization was created called NTCA, National Tiger Conservation Authority. There are total 53 tiger reserves in India. The last or 53rd tiger reserve is Guru Ghasidas Tiger Reserve, and it is located in Chhattisgarh. These are some static facts. Now, it is not possible for us to go through all the 53 tiger reserves in this video, but yes, if we are talking about Biligiri Rangaswamy Temple Tiger Reserve, which is located in Karnataka, so we can at least speak about the tiger reserves in Karnataka. So, Karnataka has total 5 tiger reserves. What are those? Karnataka has been declared as number one state in tiger population in the country, but it was according to 2018 census. According to 2022 census, it is Madhya Pradesh. Highest number of tigers are located in Madhya Pradesh according to 2022 census. Huh? Clear? So Karnataka has been declared as number one state in tiger population in the country. At present, the tiger population is estimated at around 300 in Karnataka, and total tiger population in India is estimated at 3,167. As per India Tiger Estimate 2010, conducted by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Government of India. Okay, the state has 5 tiger reserves. What are those? Number one, Bandipur. The park is situated at the foothills of Western Ghat. It is known for its rich diversity of flora and fauna. It was established as a hunting reserve for the Maharaja of Mysore. In 1973, it was declared as a national park, and it became Tiger Reserve in 1974 under Project Tiger. And you know, Project Tiger was launched in 1973 only, right? It was launched in 1973. It is one of the highest tiger densities in India. The park also has significant population of other wildlife species such as elephant, leopards, dholes and gores. I like this animal a lot. Gore. Second tiger reserve in Karnataka is Bhadra. Parts of the current reserve were first declared as Jagara Valley Wildlife Sanctuary in 1951. In 1974, the area was expanded and named the Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. In 1998, the sanctuary was included in the Project Tiger network. What is the flora? Bhadra is the natural habitat of the prized timber such as teak and rosewood. Forest type: in Bhadra Tiger Reserve, you can find tropical moist mixed deciduous forest or tropical dry deciduous forest and semi-evergreen forest. Animals: tiger, leopard, elephant, gaur, sambar, barking deer, spotted deer, wild dog, wild boar and sloth bear. These are the common animals you can find in the peninsular India. It is very common. I visited Melghat Tiger Reserve now. So I saw all these animals. Only elephant was not present in Melghat Tiger Reserve. All other animals were present. The third tiger reserve in Karnataka is Nagarhole. It is also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Very important. Nagarhole in Karnataka is also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park. It was established as a wildlife sanctuary in 1955. It was upgraded into a national park in 1988, and it was declared as the 37th Tiger Reserve under Project Tiger in 1999. The park lies in the Western Ghat. It is part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. Now remember, Biosphere Reserve are declared under Man and Biosphere Program, and this program is launched by UNESCO. There are total 18 biosphere reserves in India. Okay, one of them is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. The very important fact are, the name of the protected area or tiger reserve is Nagarhole, and through this tiger reserve one river flows. The name of river is also Nagarhole. So the Nagarhole river flows through the park, which joins the Kabini river, which also is a boundary between Nagarhole and Bandipur National Park. Flora: the vegetation consists mainly of moist deciduous forest with predominating trees of teak and rosewood. Fauna: Asian elephants, cheetal, Indian mouse deer, gaur, striped-necked birds, leopard, tiger, and sloth bear, among others. The fourth tiger reserve in Karnataka is Dandeli Anshi, and it is nearby Goa. So it was established in 1956 in the central portion of Uttar Kannada or North Kannara district of Karnataka. In 1987, the state proposed carving out a section of the sanctuary to create Anshi National Park, which was implemented in 87. The park area was expanded by 90 square kilometers when the final notification was issued in 2002, and Dandeli Anshi became Tiger Reserve in the year 2007. Okay, so before I go to the question, I would like to tell you one by one. Palak Lake, it is located in Mizoram. Piligiri Rangaswamy Temple Tiger Reserve, it is located in Karnataka, and there are total 5 tiger reserves in Karnataka. Number 1, Bhadra. So Bhadra, suppose if Bhadra is a person, so Bhadra के नगर में होल हुआ. So नगर होल, this is mnemonica. Bhadra के नगर में होल हुआ. So obviously if there is a hole in the Bhadra's nagar, so Bhadra will be like shy. Bhadra को शर्म महसूस होगी. So Bhadra took a bus of the BRT, okay, and through this BRT Bhadra went to Dandeli Anshi. But while going towards Dandeli Anshi, there was one stop, and the name of that stop was Bandipur. So these are the 5 tiger reserves in Karnataka. Clear? These 5 tiger reserves in Karnataka out of 53. There are total 53 tiger reserves, but only 5 tiger reserves are located in Karnataka. And Karnataka has one of the largest density of the tigers in India. Okay. Now this is the question. Please go through this question and answer. See, I watch this video whenever this video premieres. Now I watch that video when it is premiering, so you can answer your answers in the comment. I will reply to your comment. Okay, read this question and answer, please. I am waiting. It is a very beautiful question. So I hope you read the question and answered. Which of the following protected areas are located in Kaveri Basin? Nagarhole, Papikonda, Satyamangalam, and Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. Remember, normally Konda word is a Telugu word. Okay, so Konda means it is either in Andhra Pradesh or in Telangana. So you can eliminate second. And remember, Kaveri Basin is spread across 3 states and 1 union territory. 3 states, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. 1 union territory, Puducherry. The basin of Kaveri is not spread across Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So you can eliminate second. So A is not the answer, D is not the answer, and yes, Nagarhole, Satyamangalam, and Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, they are all located in the Kaveri Basin. Okay, that's why your answer is C. Now, what is the meaning of basin? I hope you know. Basin means the region through which that main river is flowing, as well as the region through which the tributaries of that river are coming. So that both these areas are known as basin. So Kaveri Basin is spread across 3 Indian state and 1 union territory, as I told you. Okay. Then there is second question. Please read question number second question and be ready with your answer. Which one of the following protected area is well known for the conservation of subspecies of the Indian swamp deer, Bara Singha, that thrives well on hard ground and is exclusively graminivorous? Now, what is the meaning of graminivorous? Animal which eats preferably grains. Okay, this question was asked in 2020, And the answer of this question is Kanha National Park, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. Now here, because we are talking about protected areas, so remember Kanha National Park is located in Madhya Pradesh and it is also a tiger reserve. Manas National Park is located in Assam and it is also a tiger reserve. It is also a biosphere reserve. It is also a national park. It is also a natural heritage site. Manas. Okay, important. India has total 7 natural heritage sites. One of them is Manas. Then Muddumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, it is located in Tamil Nadu and it is also a tiger reserve. Okay, and Thal Chapar Wildlife Sanctuary, it is located in Rajasthan and it is one of the most beautiful wildlife sanctuaries in Rajasthan. Thal Chapar Wildlife Sanctuary. So answer in this case, the answer of question number 2 is Kanha National Park. Okay. Now, before I end this video, I will give you a quick recap what exactly we studied one by one. Palak Lake, it is located in Mizoram. Remember, very important. Then, biodiversity hotspot. Number one, who gave the concept of biodiversity hotspot? The concept of biodiversity hotspot was given by Norman Mayers in 1988. But who implements this idea or this concept today? So the idea or concept of biodiversity hotspot is nowadays implemented by Conservation International. Okay, how many biodiversity hotspots are located across the world? So there are total 36 biodiversity hotspots located across the world. Out of them, how many biodiversity hotspots are located in India? Only four biodiversity hotspots are located in India. What are the names of those four biodiversity hotspots? The Himalayas, Indo-Burma, then Sundaland, and Western Ghat and Sri Lanka. This recap is very important so that you will remember what exactly we studied. Okay, this is about biodiversity hotspot. Then about tiger reserves. Total number of tiger reserves in India 53. Who manages all tiger reserves in India? NTCA, that is National Tiger Conservation Authority, which came into existence in 2005. Okay, Project Tiger was launched in 1973. How many tiger reserves are present in Karnataka? 5. Which tiger reserve in Karnataka was in news? Biligiri Rangaswamy Temple Tiger Reserve. That's why we discussed about the Nagarhole, about the Bandipur, about the Bhadra, as well as about Dandeli Anchi. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These 5 tiger reserves. Okay. Now I will show you the Barasingha. There was a question about Barasingha. Na? It is a very, see, there are many subspecies of the deer in India. Like this one is Barasingha. It is a very, very beautiful subspecies of the deer, Barasingha. You will mainly find this in Rajasthan or in Madhya Pradesh. Very beautiful. I saw the same type of deer, like I will show you when I went to Medghatna. So I saw one deer. The name of that river deer is Cheetal. I saw this one, spotted deer. They are also very, very beautiful deers. Okay, so this biodiversity is very common in the peninsular India part. Okay, so that's it about the protected areas from today's session. Before you leave this class, remember IQ Civils is providing training to the meritorious students in collaboration with Assam Administrative Staff College since 2018. So you can be rest assured about the quality and the content provided at IQ Civils IAS Academy Guwahati online as well as offline. The PDF notes of this class are available on this Telegram channel. So subscribe to this Telegram channel so that you can get PDF free of cost. We are starting our new batches from 15th of May and 6th June. So what you need to do? You need to register yourself. For registering yourself, just call on this number, either this one or on this number, and book your seat. And after booking your seat, you can attend our classes offline as well as online. Depending upon your convenience, you can join offline batch as well as online batch. For offline batch, you need to be in Guwahati, and for online batch, you can attend that batch from anywhere in India or anywhere across the world. So that's it from my side, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. Sayonara. See you soon. Take care.